Side-by-side Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Fold 4 display images shows a great improved crease. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, Samsung may have been a pioneer of foldable phones, but unlike many other competitors offering it, bendable handsets still have a crease. And if a new leaked image is anything go by, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 main display will also have wrinkles. Samsung foldable handsets have come a long way, and as per the latest report, the company expects sales to be more than double this year to 15 million units. At $1,800, the Z Fold 3 is around $200 cheaper than the original Fold. It's also lighter, more durable, and has an IPX8 rating for water resistance. The third generation Fold also has smoother display support for S Pen stylus and features an under-display camera sensor. Its main display still has fairly prominent crease, but that's not as bad as it may sound, as most reviewers say it does not bother them. The crease apparently exists because of the way the hinge has been designed, which explains why phones from Chinese companies that features a water drop hinge don't suffer from the same problem. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is expected to have a crease, but we have been hearing rumors that it will be less visible, 20% shallower to be exact. Well-known leaker Ice Universe has today posted side-by-side images taken at the same angle to show us how the Fold 4 crease compared to the Fold 3. The crease is indeed less obvious, and it seems like a bigger improvement than what we had expected. Anyhow, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is expected to be respectably upgraded over the Z Fold 3. Even though it will likely have the same general design, the screen will get wider for better usability, and the phone will be equipped with much better camera sensor, which should deliver results similar to the likes of Galaxy S22. This should greatly increase its chances of breaking out of niche market into the mainstream, as foldable phones aren't known for having great cameras despite their high price. So it's safe to assume that Fold 4 will be amongst the best of the phone of the year. The Fold 4 will be coming with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 and will pack 4400 mAh battery. Samsung will reportedly announce the phone on August 10 during the Unpacked event, and it will share the limelight with the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and the Watch 5 range. So guys, overall I think both the Fold 4 and Flip 4 are going to be coming with a decent specification inside, and having a lower crease as compared to their predecessor is definitely a big improvement. And you guys, let me know your thoughts. What do you think about this new crease? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe.